Hey everybody, Mr. Troy here. I got a quick video on finding a least common denominator. This will also work for finding the least common multiple of the two polynomials that are in the denominators here. So when we're looking to find a least common denominator, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to factor each of the denominators. I'm going to do that off screen. All right, so for the first one, I factored by grouping. And I got a difference of squares here, x squared minus 9, and that factored to x plus 3 and x minus 3. I'll factor the second one as well. So the second denominator also factors by grouping. In this case, we get this difference of squares, which splits into x plus 3 and x minus 3, but we already have a factor of x plus 3. So what a lot of people will do will be to write x plus 3 with an exponent of 2. So we would say x plus 3 quantity squared times x minus 3. Now, we want to find the least common multiple of these two factored expressions at the bottom. A least common multiple has all of the factors that are inside each of the individual expressions. So x plus 3, x minus 3, and x minus 1. If something is used twice, so for example, x minus 3 is in the left expression and in the right expression, we don't need to write it twice, we just write it once. But if we have something that is repeated inside a single expression, so like x plus 3 is x plus 3 quantity squared, that power needs to be in our least common multiple as well. So this factored expression at the bottom is going to be the least common multiple of these two denominators. It would also serve as the least common denominator if we wanted to add those two expressions together. We are almost always going to leave this in factored form because we don't want to multiply it out. It's going to give us some nasty quartic expression. All right, hope that helps.